guys, you're welcome back to Explore Insights. This is the 11th video on image processing using OpenCV Python. I'll take you through the step-by-step procedure on how to convert RGB images to HSV images and also save them. Without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to mark that down and then run it. So we just have 3 steps to this. So the first step is to import libraries. So I'm going to import CV2, import OS, and also import globe. So the next step is to specify the image part and the destination path. So for the image part, I'm going to assign that to a variable img path. So let me go get the data. Okay, let's say I'm using these images. So I'm going to come in here and I will copy and paste. And for my destination part, I'm going to call that dest part. So that will be my variable. I'm going to use this part and then I'll paste. So the next line of code is using a for loop to iterate through all the files in a directory specified by the variable in part. So first, the counter I will be set as 1. And then we'll go in with our for image in globe.globe. So we have in path plus, that's concatenate, asterisk, that's asterisk. Okay. So the globe function returns a list of the 5 paths that matches with this pattern. So in this case, the pattern we have is the in path. So which means all files with this extension in the directory specify it will locate all files, all images in this path. So next is our try, which is the sub loop. So first is to read the image. Assign that to a variable image. So we have cv2.imRead function. So we have the img, and then we're going to convert. So at this point, we want to convert. We are sending that to a variable HSV, and then we say cv2.cvt capital letter C for the color, and then using the image, okay, this, and the cv2.color bgr to HSV. And next, we need to change the current working directory to the destination path. So we'll be calling in our OS change directory as desti path. So next is to create a file name for the HSV image. So we are going to do that by concatenating the string. Let's say new data with the value of the variable I and the image format extension. All I mean is the file name. So we are giving it, let's say, new data. So we'll concatenate that with a string. And also with image format. So at this point, we can change the image format to .png. And next is to save. We have to save this HSV image. So we'll be using the cv2.imwrite function. So we have file name and HSV. Then the variable I will be incremented by 1. So in the case of the exception, we are going to introduce the except block, which will catch and print when an image is not saved. So let's run through and see what we've got. Now we'll be able to save these images as HSV image. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Thanks for staying and watching through to this point. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Also, remember to click the notification bell so as to get updated on forthcoming videos. Furthermore, I'll include the GitHub link for this code in the description below. Bye guys, love you. I'm signing off now.